Title of the topic is How to Avoid Collisions over Ethernet. First of all, the objectives. After completing this topic, a student will be able to explain how to avoid collisions and what to do when a collision occurs. Figures and material in this topic have been adapted from Wendell Udam's book, Computer Networking First Step. First of all, let's imagine that you are connected to a hub and you are currently receiving a frame. What would happen if you send a frame at the same time? This will result into a collision. Ethernet standards define a basic algorithm that helps reduce collisions as well as defining what to do when collisions occur. तो जब collision आती है, collisions को कैसे reduce किया जा सकता है और collisions जब occur हो जाती हैं, तो what should we do? एक standard Ethernet standard define एक algorithm करता है. उस algorithm का नाम है Carrier Sense Multiple Access Collision Detect Algorithm. और इसको briefly कहा जाता है CSMA/CD algorithm. The CSMA/CD algorithm is based on a simple concept. बड़ा एक simple concept है. Listen before sending. पहले सुने, before आपने frame भेजना है, पहले सुने. And wait until you are not receiving a frame before you try to send your frame. So it's a very simple concept. Well, that's exactly what the algorithm calls for. Why not just wait for a while, right? Before we send a frame, let's wait for a while if someone is already using the LAN. इस डायग्राम को अगर हम देखें तो इस डायग्राम में collision avoidance by listening before sending को डिपिक्ट किया गया है. Larry is the person. I'm sending a frame at the moment. अब क्या करेगा? Larry से जो frame आया है उसको डुप्लीकेट करेगा आर्ची केबल के ऊपर भी और बॉब की तरफ भी. अब अगर बॉब भी साइमल्टेनियसली एक और फ्रेम भेजना को कोशिश करेगा तो क्या होगा? A collision will result. तो बॉब क्या करता है? बॉब विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लिसन टू द लैन कि क्या कोई फ्रेम कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल तो नहीं आ रहा. अगर कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल आ रहा है तो बॉब विल रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम सेंडिंग हिज फ्रेम. आई नीड टू सेंड बट आई हियर अ फ्रेम सो आई विल वेट. Even when you are using CSMA/CD algorithm, collisions can still occur. Let's look why. Let's imagine Larry, Bob and Archie are connected via an Ethernet. Currently, Larry is sending a frame. Bob and Archie both want to send a frame over the LAN, but they have to wait. First of all, Larry has to complete. इस डायग्राम में अगर हम देखें तो Larry क्या कर रहा है? आप Larry को देख रहे हैं तो Larry एक फ्रेम सेंड कर रहा है. Bob and Archie both are receiving the same frame from Larry. Archie और Bob भी एक पैकेट भेजना चाह रहे हैं. But what they will do is they will wait until they have received the frame completely. When no one is sending anything, there is no electricity flowing over the wires and we say that the LAN is silent. Now as soon as both Bob and Archie stop receiving an electrical signal, LAN silent हो गई. Now both of them can try simultaneously. When both of them will try simultaneously, what will happen? In this diagram, we see Larry, the hub, Archie and Bob. जब Larry has finished sending the frame, Archie and Bob, they hear that the LAN has become silent. So what Archie and Bob do at the same time, Archie and Bob want to send the frame simultaneously. अब क्या करेगा? Archie से frame लेगा and it will hand it over towards Larry. Bob से frame लेगा जो hub है और क्या करेगा? उसको duplicate कर देगा on the cable that is attached to the Larry's computer. This will result into a collision. जो hub था, it has repeated both the frames out to Larry, so Larry will know about the collision. The hub won't forward Bob's frame back to Bob. Bob receives only one frame that was from Archie. Similarly, Archie का जो frame Archie ने क्या receive किया? Bob का frame तो receive कर लिया, लेकिन अपना जो frame वो send out कर रहा था वो receive उसने नहीं किया. Bob and Archie have no idea about the collision. When an NIC transmits a frame, it should receive its own frame as well. This is what we call the loopback circuit. By using the loopback concept, while Bob is sending a frame and if Archie also sends a frame at the same time, the hub forwards Archie's frame to Bob and now Bob knows about the collision. तो ये जो लूप बैक है, इस आइडिया के साथ अगर बॉब ने कोलिजन के बारे में लर्न करना है तो जो बॉब का एनआईसी है इट शुड फॉरवर्ड द पैकेट टू बॉब्स पीसी एट द सेम टाइम। अगर बॉब अपना जो पैकेट निकला था, जो फ्रेम बाहर आया था एनआईसी एनआईसी से, एनआईसी अपने आप को भी वापस फॉरवर्ड करेगा और आर्ची का भी फ्रेम आ रहा होगा। देन बॉब कैन सेंस अबाउट द कोलिजन। CSMA/CD, What to do when a collision happens? क्या करना है जब एक collision occur हो जाता है? The senders of the collided frames send a jamming signal to make sure everyone knows a collision has occurred. This is the first step. सब जो LAN के साथ जितने भी computers हैं attached हैं, उन सब को आपने inform करना है कि a collision occur हो चुका है. The second step is the senders of the collided frames independently pick a random timer value. क्या करेंगे, एक टाइमर ऑन करेंगे और हर एक का टाइमर क्या होगा, डिफरेंट की वैल्यू होगी। जब वो टाइमर एक्सपायर होगा तो जो ही वो टाइमर एक्सपायर होगा देन आर्ची एंड बॉब विल ट्राई probably at different times. So each sender waits until his own random timer has expired and then tries to send the frame once again. So this is how we can reduce the collisions. In this topic, we have seen how collisions occur and how the Ethernet standard defines the CSMA/CD algorithm in order to reduce the collisions and to avoid them.